to work. The first function that we are going to discuss is addition or sum. So let's clear this screen and move on. So here, let's enter a couple of numbers on which we will work: 87, 52, 65, 98. Now, we want to do the sum of all these four numbers. So there are different ways of doing it. Let's begin. So as we discussed earlier, any function should start with the equals to sign. Then the function that is sum, bracket open, and select the numbers for which you want to have the sum, or which the numbers which you want to add, and bracket close, enter. We got 302 as our result. The other way of doing it is, again, without a doubt, whenever we are entering a function, it should always begin with the equals to sign. Select the cell in which you have the number that you want to add, followed by a plus symbol because we are doing addition. Select the second cell, again plus sign, the third number plus the fourth number, press enter. Again, the result is 302. Another way, go to the function. If you can't see the function that you want to use in this list here, type the name of the function that you are looking for. That is sum. And click on go. Here we go. We got the sum function. It is already selected. If you want to use any other function, you can select that particular function. So the function which is highlighted in this blue band is the function which is currently selected by Excel. Click on OK. A dialog box will open. Here you see the system has already selected all the numbers from cell A2 to D2. If you want to keep the numbers as same, it's fine. If you want to change, you can change the numbers. In order to change the numbers, what we will do is click on this and make the selection. So we just want to add the first two numbers, that is the numbers which are in cell A2 and B2. So we have done the selection. Again, click on this small box and click on OK. So this time the Excel has only done the addition of two numbers, that is 87 and 52. So here, if you want to know that which numbers are added, you can press F2 and the numbers which are used to do the calculation, or the numbers which are used in this particular function, will get highlighted. Let me show you one more thing. 87 plus 65. Press enter. So 87 plus 65 is 52. Here I want to see which values I have used. Simply press F2 and you see now 87 and 65 is highlighted, 52 and 98 is not highlighted, because in this particular function, we have not used these numbers or the value in these cells. Now let me show you one more thing. 87, I'm changing it to, before changing the number. When we have added these two numbers, that is 87 and 65, 87 and 65, these are the two numbers that we have added, and the result that we got is 152. Now, let's change this 87 to say 97. See, the value has changed. Now I'm changing this 65 to 56. Again, the value has changed. So that means what? Before explaining that, let's do one more thing. 97 plus 56. The result is 153. Now again, let's change this number to 87. So here, The value has changed in this particular cell, but not in this cell. Why? Because here we are asking the Excel to add the values which are in cell A2 and C2 and not the numbers 97 and 87. Whereas here we have asked the Excel to specifically do the addition of 97 and 56. So if you are using the cell address to do a calculation, the moment you will change the value on those cells in which the value is returned, the answer or the result of the operation or function will change. Whereas if you are writing a function in a cell by mentioning the values in the cell itself, like in this cell, we have mentioned that we want Excel to add 97 plus 56. So this value will not change until or unless we make a change in the value that we have asked the Excel to perform a function on it.